Now, we'll start talking about the Metasploit framework, which is an open source penetration testing and development platform programmed in Ruby that provides exploits for a variety of applications and operating systems. Metasploit is one of the most commonly used penetration testing tools in the world. This exploitation framework consists of a group of tools and utilities put together to conduct security audits, test security vulnerabilities, enumerate networks, and evade detection or hack systems. It can be used by both white and black hat hackers because Metasploit is launching real, not simulated attacks. In this lecture, I'll show you how to start and update the Metasploit framework. If you are using Kali Linux, and I advise you to use it, Metasploit is part of Kali. We started by simply executing msf cancel in a terminal. msf cancel is the most popular interface to the Metasploit framework. It provides an all-in-one centralized cancel and allows you efficient access to virtually all the options available in the Metasploit framework. Let's launch it. It has started successfully. Let's move on and see how to update Metasploit. This is especially important because the Metasploit team is continuously releasing improvements and exploits for new vulnerabilities. As you can see, this is Metasploit cancel version 6.1.27 and there are 2,196 exploits available. Until recently, we could simply update Metasploit to the latest version by executing msf update. I'm running msf update. But, as you can see, Metasploit now responds that the command is no longer supported when Metasploit is part of an operating system such as Kali. And to update it, we need to use the apt package manager. So, to update it, I'm running sudo apt update && sudo apt install Metasploit framework. And the password is Kali. By the way, apt install is installing or updating the package to its latest version. I'm typing Y. It's downloading and installing the latest version of Metasploit. It was updated and I'm starting msf cancel again. In the other terminal, I'm exiting the previous Metasploit cancel and I'm starting it again. This is the latest version of Metasploit, which is version 6.1.39.